Welcome to an extraordinary journey of creativity and empowerment brought to you by A Better Way, in association with Millionaire Mind Kids. Over the course of one transformative week, our youth had the chance to discover their inner voice and unlock the power of expression. Guided by professionals, these young people explored the freedom to express their creativity, imagination, thoughts, and feelings. Each young person embarked on a personal quest to find their artistic voice. Nurtured by the passion of four highly acclaimed local artists. At the Mixed Media Art Studio, under the guidance of the talented artist, Andrea Willow, they delved into the vibrant world of art, blending colors, textures, and ideas to create unique masterpieces. The canvas became their playground, and the walls resonated with the symphony of their creativity. Theresa Polly Shellcroft, a master of sewing, fiber arts, and quilting, ignited their passion for fabric, thread, beads, and buttons. In this realm of textiles, our youth embraced the art of sewing, weaving, and crafting, transforming ideas with their own two hands into tangible works of art that celebrated their individuality. In the social media/social justice class, the motivational T. Faye Griffin led them through a journey of using social media as a powerful tool for change. Empowered to speak out, they launched campaigns to advocate for social justice, giving voice to issues close to their hearts. Each young person also created a self-portrait. Poetry came alive in the capable hands of poetry. With passion and eloquence, they composed verses that echoed their deepest emotions and experiences. The spoken word became their vessel to share stories and inspire others with their heartfelt expressions. The art and power of language was explored in a very innovative way.
About life.
I want to write a poem about wind.
I want to write a poem about basketball.
I want to write a poem about volleyball.
I want to write a poem about cosmic revelation.
I want to write a poem about the future.
I want to write a poem about Yahuwah.
I want to write.
Life is confusing. Where is it taking us? Is this the real world we live in? Life is a beautiful thing.
I forgot my poem. I guess I airballed.
What hides under the skull is something we strive to see. When some try to receive it, they say it's a disadvantage. The more they discover, the more they hate. To that I say, is it too late?
I want to write.
As the week drew to a close, our young people returned to the Millionaire Mind Kids campus, where they showcased their artistic achievements to mentors, parents, and peers. The air was filled with a sense of achievement and pride, reflecting the transformative power of creativity. The journey has left a lasting impact on these young people, instilling within them the belief in their creative potential and freedom of expression.
How was your experience at Millionaire Mind Kids?
It was awesome. Yeah, you go first. Yeah, it was awesome. Woo! Our class is the best.
So how was your experience at Millionaire Mind Kids?
It was good.
Did you have fun?
Yeah.
You learned something new?
Yeah, I learned how to crochet.
Oh, cool.
Really good. I enjoyed it a lot. I made new friends, and I love poetry now. I never knew how to have a passion for it. I love it here, and I inspire people to come here.
Really?
And I found a new hobby.
Awesome.
Community praised their resilience and celebrated the blossoming of their creative inner voice. With the guidance of A Better Way and Millionaire Mind Kids, aligned with the expertise of our 4 exceptional artists, these young minds discovered that creativity knows no bounds. Their newfound freedom of expression opened doors to endless possibilities. May each young person's creative spirit be ignited to shine brightly, inspiring others to embrace their own creative journeys. We thank the California Commission on the Status of Women and Girls Women's Recovery Grant and Flagstar Foundation for their generous support to make this project possible.